it's been great to be kind of back in Chennai and especially to have such a big store from Victor India. I think I was really happy when I kind of came to know that like in South India where we are kind of starting off the first showroom and to kind of come inside and see a lot of latest products from Victor. I think really excited to be honest because there is a huge number of kids who play badminton in Tamil Nadu as such and in Chennai. So I think it's going to be a great start for Victor and hopefully we'll have many more stores coming in Chennai itself. This is just the start I would say.
Firstly, thank you all for being here today. It's really nice to see that so many media is here, so much media is here for the launch of Victor's store. This is Victor's first store opening in Chennai, and like Pranoy mentioned, Chennai is the hub for badminton, next growing hub for badminton. A lot of youngsters play badminton and are doing really well. And I would say as players start doing well, there is a need for good equipment, good apparel, good products, and that's where Victor fits perfectly in. Because Victor is one of the top leading brands for badminton apparel and gear in the world. And to have a store in Chennai is perfect because a lot of youngsters, a lot of badminton enthusiasts have access to really good high quality badminton gear. Congratulations, and it's really nice to be here present in Chennai. And yeah, thank you for being here.
What is your target, next target?
Well, I think the next target is definitely to start playing consistently well again. And from a goal perspective, I think it's important to target bigger tournaments, All England World Championships, and these kind of bigger tournaments. But I think it is going to be a tough couple of years, to be honest, because I think the men's single session has been really wide open right now, and I think it's getting really tougher every single tournament. So I think for me the aim would be to kind of play consistent badminton and kind of aim for the bigger tournaments, and especially the aim would be to kind of perform really well at the bigger events.
So after various windows, I think badminton is taking off in India because most of the people in India are focused about field games. You think that more should be coming from the China?
Well, I think the last 1 decade, I think we have seen a massive rise in badminton, and I would say thanks to a lot of players out there who has kind of performed really well, and I think that's why badminton has grown over the last 10 years, and I think a lot of kids got inspired in the last 10 years because of our achievements in the sport, and I hope that we can continue doing that and kind of inspire a lot of kids to take up the sport because as you said there are focus on only few sports in the country, so hopefully we can perform at the highest level so that people start to follow the sport much more closely and they can be part of the sport as well.
So normally in government public sector, they used to take for jobs and other things. Like hockey, basketball, they have got so that they can get into the government job so that youngsters can look in for the badminton as a career.
So, to be honest, Pranoy and I are employed with ONGC. We're extremely grateful for that. And like you rightly mentioned, there are public sector companies who employ a lot of athletes across sports. Not all the sports get that, but the sports they do recruit. It's a huge difference because in India, sports is yet to grow as we're yet to grow as a sporting nation, and having the backing of companies like ONGC and all the other companies supporting athletes is very important, because without their support none of us can focus on the sport completely and give our full-time training for badminton or other sports so that we can do really well. So I'd say it's really important. I hope more companies come forward to employ youngsters who want to pursue a career in sports, because without their support it's very difficult to pursue and do really well. So yeah, there are companies like I mentioned, and hopefully more companies come forward.